This comment is from 2022 and I promised myself that I would go back and say I found the solution for those people who wants to learn how to start working from home pero wala silang time na umattend ng class. So talagang inad ko siya sa favorites ko and sabi ko, someday, babalikan ko to. And that someday is today. Si Javier dito sabi niya kung magkakaroon daw ba ng sked na mag-start ng 8 p.m. or weekends kaya, hindi daw siya makahabol sa 6 p.m. na schedule galing daw kasi sa work. And this is regarding the revamped basic work from home training program. So yung class kasi na yon is Monday through Friday, 6 to 10 sessions siya and 6 to 8 p.m. The reason why 6 to 8 p.m. yung time niya is because we're trying to accommodate yung mga nagwo-work lalabas ng 5, tapos yun naman mga taga-BPO na papasok ng 8 p.m. onward. Now, there are a few solutions that we found, pero most of them pansamantala and still doesn't resolve yung problem na paano yung mga walang time umattend. Ulitin ko, this is for the revamped basic work from home training program ha, so ito yung parang pinakang simula. Ito yung tigta 399 pesos natin na kapag sa live ka mag-enroll, perfect yung attendance mo, nasabit mo yung homework on time, pwede mong ma-refund yung 399 pesos. But what if nga, kagaya niya, pauwi pa lang siya galing sa work. Pero gusto mo na talagang matuto, pero you want to learn sa sarili mong oras. Tagalog ko na lang mali pa. Basta you want to learn during your free time. Pero you still want to get the same benefits that the people na nag-attend ng live are getting. So, I came up with the idea of either one, mag-chatsaga ka sa mga recordings. So, iintayin mo na ma-upload yung recordings. Tapos, dun ka palang hahabol ng lessons. Tapos, the following day, may lesson na naman. Or 2, eto na. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, pag pumunta kayo sa profile ko, kininik nyo tong link sa bio ko, bubuksan ito yung GigHub. Dito sa GigHub, ilalagay na namin lahat ng kailangan nyo para matutong mag-work from home. And of course, andito yung mga live mentorship classes natin. So, pag clinic nyo yung isa-isa, kung ano man yung gusto nyo matutunan dyan, it'll take you to the form. Meron din tayong mga recommended websites, meron tayong free resources, nanditong lahat. So, pwede nyo i-take yung lahat ng free resources. But if you want a more structured lesson, click nyo ito. Tapos pupunta kayo dito, click nyo Explore Courses. Andito na yung libre nating social media management, graphics design, at dito rin talaga yung ibang mga lessons na only our mentees can take. However, I wanna bring your attention to the comprehensive work from home training in Taglish. So itong training na to, it's more comprehensive than yung ating pinakang level 1. Ito yung revamp, yung live session. Mas comprehensive to in such a way na curated siya for those na hindi makaka-attend ng live. So ibig sabihin, mas hitik, mas marami akong diniscuss dito. And if not today, by tomorrow, dadagdagan pa namin ng dadagdagan yun ng mga extra lessons na pwede ninyong i-take inside the same course module. Now, I know itatanong na naman ng mga tao, so meron po ba nitong tuturuan kayo kung paano mag-apply? Meron po. Paano naman kung gusto namin ng one-on-one or mock interview? Meron din po. May certification ba yan? Meron din po. But you'd still have to go through the same process as if umattend ka ng live. So, una tatapusin mo yung iyong training sa website. Siyempre, ngayon ulit nagpukpuk si na kuya. A moment of silence. Ayan, ulitin ko. So, tatapusin mo muna yung course online and then nandun na rin nakalagay kung paano mag-apply yung tinatawag nating application book. Nandun na. Ipapakita na rin doon ano yung mga kailangan mong i-prepare para makapagsimula ka na mag-apply. At pagkatapos, nandun na rin kung paano mong i-schedule yung one-on-one with me. That's the only way to get certified is for you to go through the whole process para makarating ka doon sa stage na magwa-one-on-one na tayo. The good news is, it's only 399 pesos. So, same na same din talaga nung revamp. Except this time, ito hindi to refundable because nagbayad tayo ng website. Alam nyo na. Anyway, ulitin ko lang guys. So, pwede kayong pumunta sa link sa bio. Kung nasa Instagram naman kayo, ito yung i-click nyo. In case naman guys na hindi gumana yung nasa TikTok or sa Instagram, hanapin nyo lang yung Facebook page. Dalawa yan, isang Bloggy Mary at isang Bloggy Mary group. Pagkatapos makikita nyo tong video na to, ililink na lang namin dun sa mismong taas yung link dun sa course. Ganon din naman sa YouTube, lalagay namin sa description box. Guys, keep in mind that we're trying to bridge this gap na hopefully ma-accommodate namin lahat ng requests niyo. Sana makatulong to. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home, follow from or work from home chismis. Bye!